Do you need some support in your real estate investment business during these hard times? Hey guys, I'm Juan Pablo from 100% Finance, and during these past 10 years, I was able to successfully acquire 30 rental units, mainly multi-unit properties, in which they cash flowed to the point where I can quit my day job and live off my portfolio. And I did this at 30 years old, only 4 years of investing in real estate. To the point now that I've acquired over 72 rental units in which I've held some as well as flipped some for profit. And during this whole time, I was able to document my processes, systematize it to the point that you can do the same thing yourself. Now, the last recession, it was tough on people. It was tough on myself included. I worked for the government, and during that time, I was furloughed, meaning I was out of work indefinitely. I didn't know when I was going to return back to work, and I didn't know where my next paycheck was coming from. So I had a mind shift, a paradigm shift. I said, you know what? I gotta stop treating this real estate investing thing as a hobby, watch a video here and there, podcast here and there, read a book here and there, but actually treat it as my part-time job so I can have enough passive income that exceeds my paycheck so I can say goodbye to the 9 to 5. But the truth is, my friend, there will be more opportunities now than ever before for real estate investors. In fact, after the last economic low, my real estate investment business took off. During this real estate investment party, we're going to discuss the following: how I actually got started becoming financially free as a multi-unit real estate investor during the last recession using business credit, what you should be doing right now as a real estate investor, and my favorite real estate investment strategy and how I got started. Want in? Just click the link below in the video and I'll see you there.